If you are the only player in your industry, you don't need to watch this. Seriously. But you know what? In almost every industry, there are a lot of players. I mean, you are competitors. Therefore, you need to stand out from the rest. Today, I'll share with you 3 reasons, particularly why you should never ignore competitor analysis. Stay with me. In simple words, it's an assessment of your competitors relative to you. If I elaborate you a bit, it's an assessment or an evaluation of your competitors' product, services, processes, tactics, strengths and weaknesses relative to your own. Then why do you need this information? These are the top 3 reasons. Reason number 1, it helps to develop a USP or UVP. An effective competitor analysis helps you to build a unique selling proposition and a unique value proposition. Then why do you need to build a USP? You can't compete with others with all the features of all the value deliverables of your product or services. Based on your organization's strengths and weaknesses, you just want to find out the unique selling proposition. It has to be unique. Then the others can't compete with that. We'll give you a simple example. You know, in the automobile industry, there are a lot of players. Almost everyone provides the same value to the customers. Observe the engine capacity, options and the features. But they stand out from the rest because of USP or UVP. Toyota for affordability, Mercedes-Benz for luxury, BMW for driving pleasure, and Volvo for safety. Just like this, you just want to build a USP or UVP for your product and services. Otherwise, you have to compete with the lowest price, which is very painful. Reason number 2, it provides a benchmarking platform. No matter how smart your business processes are, the reality of your business performance is reflected when you compare the results with the other players in the industry. What's your position in terms of market share? Where do you stand in terms of revenue? How fruitful your efforts in growing the business compared to the others during the last year, during the last 5 years, or the last 10 years? You get all this information through a proper competitor analysis. Reason number 3, it helps to identify the new business opportunities. Proper competitor analysis helps you to identify new business opportunities. When you analyze what segments are catered by the other players, you will spot neglected customer segments, niche market, or even existing segments which are not fully catered by your competitors. Then the important question is, who are my competitors? Okay, in the next video, I'll share with you 4 types of competitors you should never ignore. See you soon. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video, read below information and subscribe to my channel. I will offer you more videos like this to improve your sales and to grow your business. Have a great day.